Hello there, welcome back to Ethiopia Microsoft Academy. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare animated PowerPoint presentations that displays a single line or item at a time during a slide presentation. Finally, we will have this type of presentation. To practice on it, I will give you the download link of the animated and non-animated sample slides in the description below or my Telegram channel. To make such type of animated PowerPoint presentation, first prepare your slides without animation. I have prepared this slide without any animation. After you have prepared your slides for animation, consider which type of animation style is suitable for your content to express your message clearly and effectively. For this type of presentation, I'd like to include a basic animation that shows each process one at a time. I will add a basic zoom effect to the image as well as a flying entry animation effect to the words. The topic should move from left to right while the other text should move from right to left. After getting this rough idea, the next step is simply applying an animation and adjust accordingly. And make sure that each step is grouped individually to animate them separately. To apply the animation, select the topic text box and select any of this entrance animation effect. For me, I select flying entrance animation effect from here. Click on animation option and change its direction from left side. Go to animation tab and open animation pan. From animation pan, click on this drop down icon. I want to make this topic phrase to be displayed automatically without clicking the mouse or keyboard. To do so, select start with previous. As you see it is animated, but I want to make it slightly slow and add another effect. To do so, click on the drop down icon from the animation pan and click on effect options. From this dialog box, select the timing tab and change the duration to 1 second. Select the effects tab and change the smoothing effect to 0.3 seconds. Then click on OK to apply the effect. Now let's animate the picture. Select your picture and select any of this entrance animation effect. For me, I select zoom effect from here. Go to animation pan and click on the drop down icon from here and select effects option. From the timing tab, change the start option on click and change the animation duration to 1 second. Then click on OK to apply the effect. By the way, if you want to learn advanced PowerPoint animation in easy way, I will put the video link in the description below. After this, let's animate the remaining texts from the right to left direction. Select the first text group, click on animation tab and add flying entrance animation effect. Select effects option from here and select from right. While the first text group is selected, go to animation pan and open the effects dialog box. Then from the timing tab, change the start effect on click and its duration to 1 second. From the effects tab, change smoothing to 0.3 seconds. And click on OK to apply the effect. Now let's apply the same effect for the remaining text groups. To do so, select the first animator text group and then click on Animation Painter from the Animation tab to copy the same animation effect from the first text group and to paste on the next text groups. And then click on the next text group to apply the same effect and repeat the same process to the remaining text groups. Now we have finished the animation process. Let's check it. For the next, I will show you how you can add other emphasis and exit animation effects and other advanced PowerPoint animation skills. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check the description below this video to get other latest tips and tricks. To get PowerPoint templates and other resources for free, you can join my Telegram channel. Have a nice day.